Welcome, in front of me is HP EliteBook 745, and in this video I will show you how to enter one-time boot menu on this laptop. To do it, you have to press power button once, and while your device is starting up, start immediately pressing F9 button and keep pressing it until you see the one-time boot menu on your screen. Okay, and at this point you can select which which storage device you want to use to boot your PC from. As you can see, we got a lot of choices right here. If you want to exit from this menu, you can press escape. If you want to select any of these other options, you can use up and down keys, arrow keys to navigate, and enter to select. Alternatively, you can use your touchpad. So I'm gonna select Windows boot menu and boot right into Windows. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.